Do you know the benefits of apple cider vinegar? This vinegar is rich in antioxidants that protect us against diseases and also helps reduce the inflammation in joints, alleviating pain and improving joint movement. Besides being a great seasoning for salads, apple cider vinegar is also used in popular medicine. Thanks to its fermentation, apple cider vinegar is rich in enzymes that help with food digestion, protect the stomach, and facilitate digestion. It is also great for detoxing the body. Besides that, did you know that apple cider vinegar can treat many diseases in dogs and cats? According to studies, bladder infection, itching skin, many inflammations, and other issues that happen to pets can be treated with apple cider vinegar. Did you know that it can also help in cases of canine dermatitis? This is all thanks to its antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Not to mention that the vinegar is a completely safe product for dogs and cats since it is made only of apples and water. Because of its slightly acidic pH, apple cider vinegar has soothing properties for the digestive tract of animals. In this case, you can give 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to your cat or dog mixed with some water. But how can we treat dermatitis in animals with apple cider vinegar? Just dilute the vinegar in water and apply with a spray bottle or sponge. Do it after the bath to reduce mycosis and irritated skin, and also to eliminate parasites such as fleas and ticks. Did you know it can also help reduce allergens that cause acne and itching? Although we listed all these benefits, they must not take apple cider vinegar as a miraculous medicine since the acidic compounds of the vinegar can be abrasive for the delicate skin of a cat, especially the younger ones, so be sure to dilute it correctly. And don't forget to talk to a veterinarian if you want to start using this natural medicine to take care of your dog, or if you notice any side effects. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.